What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to set up a ChatGPT account or create an account on ChatGPT. So in order to sign up to ChatGPT, you'll need to go to the OpenAI website, that's openai.com, and from here you can go ahead and log in if you already have an OpenAI or ChatGPT account, or you can click on Get Started right here. So let's click on Get Started to create a new account. It'll open in a new tab and you can go ahead and enter your email, or you can go ahead and create an account with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. So let's go ahead and enter my email. So I'll enter my email, then click continue. Once you enter your email, you will be asked to enter a password, and then a very important step is to confirm your mobile phone number. So you'll need to enter your mobile phone number to confirm it, and that's it. Now you've created a ChatGPT account and you can go ahead and open ChatGPT from this account that you created.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.